In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to admit someone in Google Meet. If someone is waiting to join your Google Meet, letting them in is very quick and simple. This usually happens when a participant tries to enter the meeting and needs approval before they can come in. As the host, or as someone with permission to manage the meeting, you'll see a notification appear on the screen. To admit that person, look toward the top area of the Google Meet window. You should see an Admit button appear near the profile icon. This button is designed to help you quickly respond to join requests without interrupting the flow of your meeting too much. So keep an eye on that section if you're expecting participants. Once you find the Admit button, go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, the person waiting outside the meeting will be allowed to join. That's all it takes. If you don't see the button right away, give it a moment and make sure there is actually someone waiting to be admitted. The option only shows up when a participant is requesting access. It can also help to stay focused on the meeting window, since pop-ups and notifications are sometimes easy to miss if you're multitasking. This is especially useful during scheduled meetings, interviews, online classes, or team calls where you want to control who enters the session. Admitting participants manually helps keep the meeting more organized and can also improve privacy by making sure only the right people are joining. So again, the process is very straightforward. When someone requests to join, click the Admit button above beside the profile icon, and then click Admit to let them into the meeting. That's the complete process for admitting someone in Google Meet. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature and only takes a second.